Every morning when I wake up, I always look forward to drinking my morning matcha. I've been drinking matcha consistently for the past few years, but I was first introduced to it by my mom when I was in high school. Back then, I didn't have the appreciation that I have for it now, and it has since become such a ritual for me. There are many different ways to make matcha, but I like to make mine the more traditional Japanese way. I find the process to be so soothing and grounding. Here's what you'll need: a bamboo whisk, a teaspoon or a bamboo scooper if you have it, and a sifter. And you'll need a glass or ceramic bowl to mix the matcha in, and grab your favorite cozy mug. This is a set that I custom designed in Austin for my online shop called The Homebodies, which is just so cool and so special. Alright, next you'll want to heat your water to 180 degrees, not boiling because boiling water will burn your matcha. I store my matcha in the fridge to keep it fresh, and I'm going to also grab my plant-based milk. The quality of the matcha is the absolute most important part, so I'll link a video speaking more on this, but I use a ceremonial grade matcha sourced from Japan. To keep your whisk in tip-top shape, you'll want to let it sit in water for 30 to 60 seconds to soften the bristles. Then grab your sifter and sift through 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Simple as that. Matcha is a form of green tea where the leaves have been crushed into a fine powder. Real matcha is pure, it has no added ingredients or sugar like you find at Starbucks, so that's what you see here, the real deal. Pour in enough water to cover the powder, and then grab your bamboo whisk and softly whisk in zigzag motions. Be careful not to press down too hard on the whisk or it could damage the bristles. And just keep on whisking until you get the bubbles. Heat up your favorite milk. Today I'm using oat milk, and you can really pour however much you'd like. If you like a creamy matcha, try a 1-to-1 ratio of milk to water. The more you make matcha, the more you can experiment with adding in fun things like cinnamon, pumpkin spice, vanilla, maple, and so on. But for me today, I'm just making it pretty basic. When I drink my matcha, I really like to think of my intentions for the day. I check in with myself, ask myself how I feel in my head, my body, my heart, and I do my best to let those answers guide how I approach my day. By carving out this time in the morning to drink my matcha, I have cultivated a consistent daily practice that makes me feel really good. Morning rituals don't have to be complicated. If you can find that one thing that you know makes you feel really good and find space for that in your morning, you might notice how that helps set the tone for the rest of your day. Thank you so much for sticking around for this video. I'm Jules, and I'll see you in the next one.